Yo, what's up adventurers, Dean Shah here, and your travel bucket list is about to get a serious upgrade. We're diving into the heart of the Caribbean to an island that's more than just a pretty face, Saint Lucia. Get ready to uncover 33 mind-blowing facts that make Saint Lucia unbelievably unique. Let's go. First up, Saint Lucia isn't just a random name, it's the only country named after a real historical woman, Saint Lucia of Syracuse. How cool is that? Saint Lucia gained independence from Britain in 1979, but remains in the Commonwealth, a unique blend of history and progress. You can't talk about Saint Lucia without mentioning the Pitons, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with legendary views. Chapter 4. Drive-through volcano? Ever heard of a drive-in volcano? Well, Saint Lucia has one. Sulphur Springs is the world's only drive-in volcano. You can drive right up to it. Chapter 5. A biodiversity hotspot. Almost 70% of Saint Lucia is covered in lush rainforest, which means incredible biodiversity. We're talking rare plants and animals found nowhere else. Chapter 6. The Jaco, Saint Lucia's endemic parrot. Saint Lucia is the only place on Earth where you'll find the Jaco, also known as the Saint Lucia parrot. This vibrant bird symbolizes the island's unique beauty. Chapter 7. Calling all chocolate lovers, Saint Lucia has a rich cacao culture, offering chocolate-making tours where you can create your own bars. Chapter 8. Even Saint Lucia's flag is special. Its unique design represents the island's heritage and iconic pitons. Chapter 9. Don't let its size fool you. Saint Lucia has produced 2 Nobel Prize winners, Sir Arthur Lewis for economics and Derek Walcott for literature. Intellectual power. Prepare to be wowed by Saint Lucia's stunning botanical gardens. Explosions of color showcase incredible tropical plants and flowers. Saint Lucia knows how to party. From the Jazz and Arts Festival to vibrant street parades, the island comes alive with joy. If you love rum, Saint Lucia is your paradise. The island is famous for its rum, and you can tour distilleries, learn the craft, and of course do some tasting. Chapter 13. Legend has it that Blackbeard sailed these waters and used Saint Lucia as a hideout. Chapter 14. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Saint Lucian cuisine is a mix of African, French, and Caribbean influences, with dishes like green figs and salt fish that'll have you craving more. Chapter 15. The adventure continues underwater. St. Lucia's waters are home to vibrant coral reefs teeming with life. Once a separate island, Pigeon Island is now a national park with history, stunning views, and old military ruins. Indulge in a therapeutic mud bath at Sulphur Springs. The mud is believed to have healing properties and is a fun, messy experience. Adventure junkies, listen up. St. Lucia is your playground. Zip line through the rainforest, hike the Pitons, endless thrills await. Bird lovers, get your binoculars ready. St. Lucia's forests are a haven for hummingbirds and colorful parrots. Keep your eyes peeled. The waters around Saint Lucia are a migration route for whales and dolphins. Whale watching tours are a must-do. Want to see Saint Lucia from a new perspective? Hop on a helicopter tour for breathtaking aerial views. History buffs, Saint Lucia has you covered. Explore Fort Rodney and uncover the island's colonial past. Dive into the vibrant Castries market. Experience vendors selling fresh produce, spices, crafts, everything. Escape the hustle and bustle by visiting picturesque Anse-la-Raye. It's a glimpse into Saint Lucia's traditional life. Saint Lucia is home to stunning waterfalls like Torai. Take a dip in the cool, refreshing water. It's magic. Unwind and rejuvenate in natural hot springs like Diamond Falls. Surrounded by lush greenery, it's the ultimate relaxation experience. With favorable winds and stunning waters, Saint Lucia is a sailor's dream. Charter a boat and explore the coastline in style. Golf enthusiasts, pack your clubs. Saint Lucia boasts scenic courses set against lush tropical landscapes. A hole-in-one experience. Get ready to move. Saint Lucia's rich musical heritage includes calypso, soca, and reggae with infectious rhythms. Looking for unique souvenirs? St. Lucian artisans create beautiful crafts, pottery, jewelry, and woven goods. Rent a car and get ready for some of the most scenic drives of your life. St. Lucia's winding roads offer breathtaking views of the coastline, rainforests, and charming villages. Saint Lucia is committed to preserving its natural beauty. You'll find numerous ecotourism initiatives and sustainable practices. What truly makes Saint Lucia special is its people. Get ready for warm hospitality, friendly smiles, and a genuine welcoming spirit that will make you feel right at home. So there you have it, adventurers. 33 reasons why Saint Lucia should be at the top of your travel list. From its stunning natural beauty and rich history to its vibrant culture and warm hospitality, this Caribbean gem has something for everyone. I hope this video has inspired you to visit Saint Lucia. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring.